Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Putting a video together to talk more about the recovery position and when we would use that. So the recovery position is when we roll an individual who appears to be ill or injured on their side to maintain their airway until advanced support arrives. Reasons that we would use this position is if the person is unresponsive, but they're breathing normally. So in other words, we can look, listen, feel for breath. We can see the chest visibly rise and fall smooth, normal, and effortlessly. And they are breathing, right? They're just unresponsive for whatever reason. In these situations, we will use what we call recovery position. So many of us actually sleep like this. It's kind of on your side when you put your arm under your pillow at night, right? And you're laying on the pillow there, on your side, kind of legs curled, fetal position. So that's really the position we would use to place someone. And if you're ever unsure on how to do that, when you call 911 for someone who's unresponsive, because remember, this is treated as life-threatening. Unresponsiveness is not normal. 911 will tell you to do that, roll them on their side. So essentially what we do is we take the arm nearest to us, raise it above the head, take the leg furthest from us, prop it up on a 45-degree angle, grab the hip and shoulder, roll the person towards you. And that is recovery position. Once we hit the end there, we'll just adjust that airway so it's past neutral, ensuring that we have an open airway, so that way we can better manage the person's airway. So hopefully you guys enjoyed today's video, found some value in that, and if you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Thanks so much.